Shubor naga Shlem jong Nongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka Jella Conrad ki sangma menta ka sngi ulap le pat ba no yo mang nongrim nagabanta bante ya ka PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital kabaha bhapo Jongka University of Science and Technology. Hakani ka sngi lawanya dan rengkat ru do balak men rimboi menteri katanat puli puthi ka sorkar Jella URS Moshahari Latbarim ka Jella ka Ronda Veterinary Global Leader Nakari USA kabadai ru ha ka jo kapor ka Global Ambassador Jongka PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital MLA ka jirang ba sostene sotun Mababul Haq Chancellor ka Ustm bat ki wei de ki kanrem ki lendan Kumbanchu Pyndep Khindian kane ka PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital kandai ka badan arspa jingthia harangkat kitiar sumar ki bakat kum kane ka jo ka bamenta bat kandai ru ka jaka ai jing sumar ka bandingkong ha ka than chatai lam mi ngi ka bandan ru ya ka ambulance facility Kumbalaya thodu Chancellor ki USTM Mababul Haq latmu ban Pyndep ya kane ka PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital House name Arhajar Arphausan, bad on Sdang yaka first batch Jongki Khana Puli MBBS, Nadu Usnem Arhajar Arphonrio. Kabas ngau tanat shushu kalong baki brew kibadong, batru yaki brew kibadei naga jala Meghalaya, kila ban yo sumar hakane ka hospital. Kabalatmu ban shakri nagabanta ki Asian countries. Bad hakabas dangka jingtmu jongkane ka hospital, kalong ban kringshwa yaki nongpang, nagiri bakanthop yaka Bangladesh, Nepal bat Bhutan.
Thank you. I'm extremely glad to know the humble journey of its founder and chancellor. This energy is amazing, and I think we've heard that, but he is fired up. You all should feel great as students here. And I've learned a lot about him, and his story is very inspirational. I know you know that, but someone who's been on Zoom with him since April, and the team, which you may not know, I've learned a lot in a short time about him and his story, and I'm honored to be here. He has passed through a lot of distress after losing his parents at a very early age of his life, but overcoming crisis, struggle, poverty. He finally completed his studies with flying colors. We're here. From prestigious institutions of India. This man is who we all should aspire to be like. And I hope you appreciate him as much as I appreciate him. Please, thank you. For those of you that don't know, and hopefully you're learning something from this, he was offered several good jobs, but he preferred to serve. Imagine that. He preferred to serve the region through education. So he started his journey with one computer. One computer!
There are two reasons why this is special to me. The first reason is that this is the first private medical college that is coming up. And it is, of course, as we know, a college that will be put up by USTM. And hence we know the kind of standards that will be followed, the kind of system and overall professionalism that will be there will be second to none. And hence it gives me immense pleasure and honor to be here on this historic day to lay the foundation stone for this medical college, which I know will touch great heights, looking at the way USTM is performing now and looking at the way the leadership has worked in the past decade. The second reason why this is so special to me is because of the involvement of late PA Sangma in the entire process of bringing up USTM, and at the same time the fact that Mr. Hawk has deemed it fit that he should name this college after late P.A. Sangma. It's a great tribute to a great man, and on behalf of the family members of ours, we would like to thank Ustm and Mr. Hawk for this great honor that he has given to late P.A. Sangma. This is also a great occasion and a perfect timing, I should say, because we are celebrating 50 years of Meghalaya statehood. We are celebrating 75 years of India's independence, and we are also celebrating the 75th birth anniversary of late P.A. Sangma. So therefore, it is a fitting tribute that on his 75th birth anniversary, the foundation stone for this medical college, which is to be named after him, was laid. So once again, Mr. Hawk, thank you so much for this honor and this tribute that we have given to our leader, late P.A. Sangma. Late P.A. Sangma was a person who believed in the youth. He always believed that the biggest investment that we can make as a society, we can make as a government, is investment in human capital. As a government, for us, all development is important. Roads are important. Electricity is important, water is important, different kind of socio-economic sectors like tourism, agriculture, different social sectors like social welfare, health, education. These are all very critical for us, but in the middle of all of this, the most important investment that any government can make is in the investment of human capital. And if you look at the next 15 years to 20 years, that is going to come. The biggest challenge for us as a nation, not just as a state, is going to be the challenge of actually channelizing and taking our youth forward. Mr. P.A. Sangma used to always believe that India being a very young country, we have a very strong young force.
Our global ambassador, Professor Dr. Wase, is a cardiologist, and our Faisal Masood sir. They came from US only for this venture, and they have given a inspirational lecture to our students, and I think it will go a long way to make this university. It is not only world, there is an international world. In action, we'll be showing that this university and especially this medical science will be catering the services in next 10 years for the neighboring countries. And you are all knowing that the government of India have an active policy to connect the ASEAN countries. But I have seen the absence of any such kind of agenda in terms of education and research to connect the ASEAN countries. We as a university, we have spoken to Honorable Chief Minister that first Nepal, Bangladesh and Bhutan, which are very neighboring, these peoples are coming, going for other purposes, but not education. The students, patients, they are all reaching to Chennai and other parts of the country. Why not Northeast? It is a biodiversity rich region. We have all strength. Our people are looking nice. Our people can speak English nicely. But why people are not coming to us? So we want to make it a nucleus, and we want to work. And especially with the support of Dr. Wase, he is a famous doctor in US, and he will be extending his all support. Sir is a man of communication and technology. He will be giving all such kind of IT and communication technology support. And Mezam is a good connector globally. So we don't have any issue. Only thing that the people here, the students, the faculty members, and me personally, we must be very hardworking so that this dream project can be transformed by next three years. And I have already told that by 2025 our hospital must be fully operational, and from 2026 our first batch of MBBS will be started.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.